That sounds really bright. Good morning, everyone. It is day 3 in Tokyo. It's the last day before I head back to Osaka. And as I said before, Amelia is going to take me to a Maid Café. So I'm heading to Akihabara now, and we are going to do that. Of course, I can't take any videos inside the Maid Café because they don't allow that kind of things, and for good reason. But it will be an experience, I'm pretty sure. So, day 3, let's go. I'm still waiting for Amelia. I'm outside the Namco store. You know what this means. So starting on the top floor, this is where all the gashapon is, all the capsule toys, and it's ridiculous how many things there are. There's Sesame Street rings, there's Doraemon rings, there's a ramen ring, and all little sorts of toys that you can get. It's insane. Now moving on to the third floor, this is essentially where all the arcade games are. As you can see behind me, there's loads of arcade games. And this is where you can essentially play all the games that you possibly want under one roof. It's a lot of music beat games. I'm guessing that's the theme on this floor. But yeah, that's what the third floor is. But now quickly moving to the second floor because that was a lot of noise and actually a relatively small space, so there wasn't as many games, but it's mostly, like I said, music games. So squeeze through people here. It is incredibly tight space in here, of course. But yes, on the second floor, this is where all the claw machines are, where you can get all kinds of plushies and stuff like that. So let's take a look around at this. Okay, Amelia's here. I have to go now. I've only explored 3 floors, but I think that's enough. If you want to check out more, go find any other YouTube videos because they'll explain it a lot more better than I did, I think. But yes, now time to find Amelia. I told her I'm outside the Namco building and I see her. Okay, now we're going to a Maid Café. We'll see you soon. There is a YouTube cafe with YouTuber girls.
I don't know what that means. But we're going here.
Okay, Japan. I don't know how to feel about this.
Many minutes later.
So that was definitely an experience. I mean, it was cutesy and all, and the food was, it was dessert, so it was all right. But it just feels a bit weird for me. I don't know why. I'm still trying to figure that out, but we had a picture together, as you can see. It's all mecha kawaii. Like, the maids will have conversations with you. It's all very strange. I don't know how to feel about this. But Amelia enjoyed herself, so that's good. I mean, I did enjoy myself too. It's just, it just feels, like I said, I just feel strange. But it was a lot of fun. Yeah, Maid Café. Definitely go. What did? Okay, I've been told I should use this background.
I don't know why he didn't use the cute background.
Okay, on to the next thing, whatever that is. So Amelia has taken me to the slightly dodgy alley famous vending machine area, as you can see. What is this?
I have no idea.
Like, yes, they have, you know, the standard drink vending machines, but then you also have vending machines like this. I don't know what's inside these. I don't know if I want to find out what's inside these. As you can see inside there, that brown can apparently is bear meat.
curry.
Bear curry. Ah, Japan.
I mean, whether it's actual bear curry or it's just like one of those gimmick, those game ones.
Ah, but still, bear curry. Yeah, needless to say, this place really feels dodgy as fuck. So yeah, word of advice, don't come here at night. It might be a bit scary at night, but it's somewhere in Akihabara and it's spooky. Yeah, I'm getting out here now. So I came all the way to Tokyo and I decided to go to Denny's. Because American Denny's I have never tried before, so why not try Denny's in Tokyo? Best.
One winner later.
So I'm not sure if it's only on Sundays, but apparently they've shut down the entire street. So you can just walk right in the middle. What?
Oh, I think it's some Buddhist celebration today.
Oh.
Or these 2 days.
Okay. So I'm not sure if it's on a Sunday that they close the street, but the entire area is just... Look at it! I'm in the middle of the road. They block the entire road off so that all the tourists and stuff can just walk down. It's kind of cool that you can just walk on the street. Look, I'm on the street. I don't know why I'm finding this fascinating. It just is. Okay, bear with me. Guess where I am? Super Potato, the best game store in the world. So for those who haven't seen the previous vlog about Super Potato, it's essentially the store that sells a whole load of old retro games. You can get Game Boys here, you can get Sega Genesis, Mega Drive, Super Nintendo, everything that you can think of in terms of gaming, especially retro stuff, you can get it here. And the one in Akihabara is 3 floors. Top floor is arcade games, and the second and first floor, of course, are the stores. But it's a gamer's best friend, this place.
One hour later.
Bye, Amelia. Thank you for the weekend. I'll see you soon. So, I guess that draws the whole Tokyo excursion to a close. I'm now at Tokyo Station waiting for my Shinkansen, and I decided to get Starbucks because it's Tokyo. You get Starbucks. I got a melon frappuccino. It is melony and freaking sweet. That's what it is. Jeez. But yes, the next time you see me, I should be back in Osaka. So I will see you in Osaka. And that is the end of the Tokyo weekend. Yes, remember when I said in the first part of this video I didn't record an intro? I didn't record an outro either. Hey! So safe to say Tokyo was a fantastic time. I really enjoyed myself. It was so nice to see Amelia again because I haven't seen her for months since she left for Tokyo and I was still in Malaysia at that point. And needless to say, it was definitely an experience. Got to experience an earthquake, got to see Godzilla, head to the Disney store, got to experience snow, which I still think is one of the most emotional experiences I've had. But if there was one thing I have to say about people in Tokyo is that all those YouTube videos are correct. People in Tokyo are incredibly cold. It's a very different experience. It's very busy, a little bit more expensive, and it's hyper sensory overload over there. I kind of missed Osaka a little bit, but still, it was a very good experience being in Tokyo. So I guess that would call it a close. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed all the videos. There'll still be more coming along soon enough. I'll try and get it out a little bit quicker, but we'll see. All depends on work. And as always, I am Nate Dorian. Thank you again so much for watching, and bye. Bye.